Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are. This is my first tutorial on Affinity Designer. It teaches you how to use the basic tools to create a graphic. So I started off by opening Affinity Designer and come up with a couple of demos and tutorials, then gone to A4 to create a document. And look around the menu to work out what I can use and how to make graphics and that. Gone to pictures, imported an image that I previously made. To work out how to import it, I decided to minimize the screen, and then by minimizing the screen, I'm able to drop and drag it into place. Then use the anchor point at the top by pressing the shift key to rotate it into the aspect that's correct. And you can go to rasterize, adjustments, and adjust the levels. This creates like a vector-like effect, which is similar to that of Illustrator or Photoshop.